In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Figma in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a newbie in the world of digital design, keeping your tools up to date is crucial for a seamless working experience. With Figma's regular feature enhancements, it's vital to stay on top of these updates to leverage new capabilities and ensure optimal performance. Let's get started by walking through this process together. First, you'll need to navigate to the Figma website. Just open your preferred web browser and type in figma.com, then hit enter. The Figma homepage is your central hub for accessing all parts of this collaborative interface design tool. It's a powerful platform designed to streamline your design projects through team and individual creation, so making sure it's up to date is important. Once you're on the Figma homepage, look for the login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Use the email and password associated with your Figma account. If you're already logged in, you'll see your avatar or profile picture in place of the login button, so you can proceed further without re-entering your credentials. After logging in, you'll be redirected to your Figma home. This page serves as your access point for both recent projects and shared files. It's where you'll find your design files, organized and ready for action. The next action is to locate your profile. You'll find it by clicking on your avatar or the icon representing your account. This will typically be at the top right corner of the screen, similar to many other web applications. Once in your profile, look for the settings option. By clicking on settings, you access a variety of customization options for your Figma account. This is where you can tailor various preferences to enhance your user experience, but for today's purpose, we are focused on finding out about updates. Now, within the settings section, you should see an option labeled New Features. By selecting this, you'll be directed to where Figma outlines its latest features and updates. It's a direct way to see what improvements and new functionalities are available to make your design tasks even smoother. If there are features that need enabling or updates you need to manually apply, you'll find them here. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've ensured that your Figma platform is up to date. Regularly checking this section can give you a heads up on new tools and improvements, helping you maintain the most efficient workflow possible. Keep your creative energy flowing with the confidence that you have the best tools at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.